make me scared.
What?
I'm just scared. That
When?
something bad will happen to you.
No, nothing will happen to me.
Yeah, but
I
I
just...
don't want you to cry. You're making me scared.
No, it's okay to cry.
You're making me terrified.
Yeah, I have to cry, ate.
It's because you didn't believe God and you forgot?
No.
Or is it your problem to be mad sometimes?
No.
The what? Ate Nori?
No, it's not.
Then who?
Nothing, ate, nothing.
Mommy, please. I'm not gonna be mad, please.
It's okay, ate. I'm just, you cannot understand, ate. It's an adult
I
thing.
can understand.
No, you can.
I'm already grade 4. Grade 4s can understand. Tell
Yeah,
me.
okay, but alright, ate. You don't I don't have to tell you, ate, but what I just need you to do is by the time that you are older, you have to, when I tell you that it's not good to do, you have to avoid, you have to listen because we are better. I mean, we know better than you when you're older, okay? Because when I was younger, I did not listen to Lalame. That's why I'm having these problems now.
So what is the problem?
You cannot understand that. You can't understand.
I'm grade 4 just to me. Mom, that's it. I didn't know why I felt I had a bad day with Sky because I thought you were making me terrified about your cry.
It's okay man to cry. It's okay to cry.
But
It's no matter.
I just want to know. I keep on telling in my mind. I said like, Jesus, why is mommy crying and why I didn't hear any voice?
You cannot hear God like literally. Ate, you will
Then
see.
I did. Though I heard God.
And then that was before. That was before. People before
You
can.
said ask God and He didn't answer.
No, He will answer through the circumstances that we have, ate.
What
Like,
is
for example,
circumstances?
like what's going on. Like, for example, if you ask Lord, is this okay? Is this your will? If you don't feel good about it, if you have no peace, it's not for you. If you everything is okay, everything you have peace, it's for you. But if you have no peace, even though that you like it, even though that you're enjoying it, it's not gonna be for you. If you don't have peace, you see that a lot of things will happen if you keep doing that. If you're not thinking, that's how God answers. Okay?
So I'm bad. That's why God doesn't talk to me.
No. God does not talk to us literally like you can hear Him. You can hear Him through the things that's going on around you, through your mother, through your daddy. Like when you say, Victoria, do not do that, obey.
Yeah, but I only want to know your problem. Teacher says that when you're grade 4, you can know problems about your family.
I'm okay, ate. I just have to... you couldn't understand as well, ate.
Yes, but I just let me understand first.
No, you cannot understand. No.
Mommy, that's why I'm having a bad day because you're not telling me and things are getting wrong.
No. Ate, I just have I'm just emotional, ate. I just did something that God does not want me to do. And that's why I'm feeling bad. I mean, I did not obey God. I did not do the right thing to do. That's it. Okay?
But so that's the problem?
Yeah, that's the problem. That's why.
it?
Yeah, that's why when mommy and daddy tells you something, you have to obey, okay? Alright, you understand? So if you see me crying, it's okay. I'll just have to cry. It's better to just
But
cry
you're
it out than
making me-
surrender. Huh?
But you're making me terrified.
It's okay. You just have to pray for me. What's wrong with you, Noah? You just have to pray for me. I just need you to pray for me. I just need you to pray for me. That's it. Just pray for me, Langga.
Okay. I prayed for you and now.
Okay, good night, Langga. I sleep na ta. I hope I can sleep.
Mama.